Hello, we will use the pen tool design. So using the shapes here, there is a shape, another design. Also add a structure, making further shapes. Let's try the different paints here. Add a structure as well using the paint here.